Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure WordPress for online education, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the settings section in the left-hand menu. Click on General to configure basic site settings. Set your site title and tagline to reflect your online education platform. Adjust the time zone to match your location for accurate scheduling. Next, head to the permalinks section under Settings. Select the post name option for better URL structure. Save your changes to improve SEO and user navigation. Now, go to the Plugins tab in the left menu. Click on Add New to explore available plugins for online education. Search for LearnDash or Lifter LMS to select a learning management system. Install and activate your chosen plugin to enable course creation features. After activation, find the new settings menu created by the plugin. Create your first course by clicking on Courses in the Learning Management System menu. Enter your course title and description to provide valuable information to learners. Define the course outline by adding modules and lessons as required. Configure pricing options if your course is paid. Next, establish user roles by navigating to Users in the left-hand menu. Add instructors and students under Add New to grant access as needed. Now, set up your payment gateway if you're offering paid courses. Head to the Settings section of your LMS plugin to select your preferred payment method. Follow the instructions to connect your payment gateway account. To enhance your course content, consider installing additional plugins. Search for plugins like WP Forms for quizzes or BuddyPress for community. Install and activate any plugins that will add value to your educational content. Customize the look of your site by navigating to Appearance and then Themes. Choose a responsive theme suited for online education. Install and activate your selected theme. Visit the theme settings to adjust colors, fonts, and layout to fit your brand. Create essential pages such as Contact, About, and FAQ under the Pages section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.